The Prophet ﷺ said that those two angels that were first frightening, they say to you after you answer the questions correctly, كُنَّا نَعْلَمُ أَنَّكَ تَقُولُ هَذَا. You know, we knew you were going to say that. We knew you were going to answer these questions right. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then calls out, supply him with the furnishings from Jannah. Clothe him from the clothes of paradise. Open for him a gate to paradise, so that some of its fragrance comes to him in his grave. And then his grave is expanded for him as far as his eye can see. And then at that point, you are laying in the clothes of Jannah, with a window to Jannah. And everything starts to feel like Jannah, starts to feel like paradise. This visitor comes to you, and this visitor has this beautiful face, has these fine clothes, and has this pleasant scent. And he says to you, أَبْشِرْ بِالَّذِي يَسُرُّكَ هَذَا يَوْمُكَ الَّذِي كُنْتَ تُوعَدُ. Glad tidings of that which will bring you happiness. This is your day which you were promised. And so the deceased says, Man ant? Who are you? فَوَجْهُكَ الْوَجْهِ يَجِيءُ بِالْخَيْرِ. That face of yours is only going to be a face that brings good news. And that person responds to you and says, أَنَا عَمَلُكَ الصَّالِحِ. I am your good deeds. Now subhanAllah, imagine what your good deeds look like, all in one person. The beauty of that